Hey bro, can you guide me on how to become a video editor?
Yeah, but why the sudden interest? I mean, you studied engineering and always wanted a secure job, right?
Yeah, but I don't want to work in a 9 to 5 job for my entire life and live a normal victim-like life. I want to explore new places, go on trips, make my parents proud, and make a ton of money.
I get it. Okay, tell me, how much do you know about editing?
Let's say I know nothing about editing. So how long will it take me to learn everything about video editing?
Decades.
Centuries.
Just kidding. It all depends on you. The more you practice, the better you get at it. Since you have zero knowledge about editing, I'll explain the complete roadmap to becoming a video editor in 2024. And I also explain how much you can make from video editing. So watch the video till the end. Let me walk you through this 5-step roadmap to become a pro video editor. Starting with fundamentals of video editing. Before getting started with video editing, first you need to understand the fundamentals of editing like cuts, transitions, effects, visual hooks, and many other things. Mainly focus on storytelling. This makes your video look professional. Next, choosing your software. Once you are clear with the fundamentals, now you have to choose your preferred software. If you are a PC user, you can go with Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Filmora, DaVinci Resolve, and many more. And if you are a mobile user, you can use CapCut, VN, or KineMaster. I know there's a debate between Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve users. Both have their pros and cons, but I personally prefer DaVinci. Now, don't get me wrong, Premiere Pro is a great software, but here's why I prefer DaVinci. It's free. There's also a paid version, but the free version is more than enough for most users. You can do pretty much everything in one software without needing to switch between programs. It doesn't crash as often as Premiere Pro, but ultimately, the decision is up to you. After deciding on your software, it's time to start editing. But before editing, you have to learn the software. You can go to YouTube and search how to edit on Premiere Pro. You will get a bunch of videos. Just watch those videos and get familiar with the software. Once you are familiar with the software, now start learning to edit. The best way to learn editing is by copying other creators. Find any video of your favorite creator, watch their videos completely and replicate it exactly or even better. Do this consistently and you will quickly improve your editing skills. Next step is to build your portfolio. To make money with video editing, you have to outreach to the clients. But most of the beginners make this common mistake. They just send a normal message saying that, hey there, I want to edit your videos, and send the samples directly. If you also follow the same strategy, you will never land a client. Instead, focus on building a strong portfolio before reaching out to clients. There are plenty of videos on YouTube about how to create a portfolio for free. Watch those, build your portfolio, and include your best work in it to grab clients' attention. Last and final step is to outreach the clients. As mentioned earlier, to make money with video editing, you need to contact potential clients. You can do this through cold emails, Instagram DMs, LinkedIn, or other social media platforms. Keep in mind, it's not as simple as sending one message and getting hired. In fact, 95% of the time, you might not even get a reply. You have to be persistent and send hundreds of messages daily to land your first client. If I keep on explaining how to get clients, this video would go 10 minutes long, but if you want a step-by-step guide on how to get clients for video editing, then comment guide. This is the complete roadmap on how to become a freelance video editor. Now, you might be wondering how much a video editor earns in a month. Earnings depend on the project and the client, but on average, you can make anywhere between 25,000 to 35,000. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.